Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 3-pack set from Cat Diecast. I don't think Cat actually makes it, might be somebody else. But let's open it up and see how does it look. So here they are out of their packaging. First one is a concrete mixer truck. The second one is a big dump truck you normally see in quarries and mines. Third one, I don't know what it exactly called, but they are usually used to clear roadways and all that stuff. The front end can move. So let's start with the concrete mixer one. So it's finished in traditional yellow cat colors. Has got some good details, as you can see, detailed headlamp, mirrors. It's got the exhaust pipe. It doesn't mention any brand up front, like if it's from a different brand truck, doesn't mention that. You've got the bumper with the fog lamps there, blacked out windshield and side glasses, so you don't really see what's inside. I think that's all about the front. Let's move to the driver's side. Again, on the driver's side, you can see there's a step here. You can see the exhaust, you can see the mirror, cut lines, handle. Wheels look alright. The rims are finished in yellow and they do look like truck wheels. On the side, I think these are some toolboxes, not sure. This concrete mixer, this moves, so how it moves on the actual truck. It's a 10-wheeler, if you see here. So 2 in the front, 4 on each, so it's a 10-wheeler. Let's move to the back. You can see the space for the placeholder for the tailors, but none of them are detailed. Also, this texture kind of shows those diamond designed steel plates. It's all over rear side. And this again looks like controls, or for equipment, or for this mixer. Not sure what it is. To the passenger side, looks almost identical. I did miss the cat on the other side, so there's cat written on the mixture. The big tub which mixes the concrete. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. It does mention a different name, Funrise, so I think that's the company that makes these castings for Cat. Looks like a decent truck. Let's move to the next one. So this one is the big dump truck, which you might not see on the road. I can never see on the road. You only see it on the big mines and quarries. So this thing opens up all the way here. It's metal, by the way, not plastic. Mentions Cat here. Huge tires. I don't know if you ever seen pictures of these. Are like huge, and the tires are like 10 feet big. Let's start from the front. It's up front again. There are some details like the grill. I don't know. These are headlamps. They look like headlamps, but they're not detailed. These might be other lamps. If you open this up, you can see there's the gap for the driver. So it just have like a single seater. There's no other seats. So there's that. You've got guardrails all around. I think you climb from front. Might be. And these might be steps. I'm not sure. So come on the other side. Looks like a big exhaust here. Everything is flat. Looks like small toolbox maybe right there. And these look like pipe for hydraulics. They look like that. I'm not sure. This is the basket or the bed. And this is how it looks from the back. I don't see any tail lamp. Might be here. I'm not sure. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the bottom. It doesn't have a drive shaft there. 4-wheel drive, I guess. Yeah, I don't know much about these trucks. Haven't really seen them. So, but it looks like a nice one. And Cat does a lot of these equipments, so they might actually be doing one of these. This is the last one, and so I was talking about this. This is used to move like a piece of dirt, I would say, or other stuff. And usually this front end, it moves. instead of like the wheels, the entire front end moves, I guess. I guess I've seen like some of these during road construction, but I'm not sure if that's the exact same. The wheels are different on this one from the other two truck, and they look very close to what you see on the actual equipment. Front, these are the headlamps. You can see how like skinny the front is compared to the rest of them because everything is back here. So that's all you can see from the front. Coming to the side, on the side you can see the ladder to climb on the cab. I think this is all the engine and everything you can get, and this is the cab for the driver or the operator. Looks like an exhaust pipe and maybe airbox. And these are the marker lamps on the top. Again, you see the diamond pattern here, like this on the steel plate, cat written on the side. And this seems like a grill, like the engine is back there. These appear to be something like a tail lamp, I'm not sure. Looks almost identical. A few differences actually no differences. Same toolbox on this side, grill and everything looks exactly same. This all looks from the top. This is all looks from the bottom. It's all metal. Only this part is plastic. Looks good. So this set, I think I found it in the Walmart. It's not usually available everywhere. Depends on you if you like collecting with these. These are obviously bigger than 1/64. No, these are not bigger than 1/64. Sorry, let me go back. These are a different size. So 1/64 will be slightly bigger than this actually. So yeah, if you're interested into equipment like this, you might be able to find it in the Walmart or maybe Toys R Us. And they actually look good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.